gu- Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the FM fluid mechanics in previous year question. So the given question is the viscosity of CO at 1 bar and 27 degrees Celsius is something is given, and estimate the viscosity of CO at 1 bar and 327 degrees Celsius. So we know that there is a relation between the temperature and the viscosity. Okay, so there is a direct relationship which is only applicable for gas. So when the temperature is inversely proportional to the viscosity, it is applicable for liquid. Okay. So the carbon monoxide, whether it is a gas or liquid, carbon monoxide is a gas. Okay, so CO is a gas. So the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, the viscosity is given. What about the 327 degrees Celsius viscosity? Okay, so now we can calculate the appropriate and correct equation for the viscosity, and the relation between the viscosity and temperature is viscosity is directly proportional to the square root of the temperature. So we consider mu2 divided by mu1. It is easy to solve for the proportional. So then T2 by T1. So the temperature must be in Kelvin. So the given question is that the temperature is given in degree Celsius. We need to convert into the Kelvin. So we don't know about the mu2. mu1 is given 0.000015, this square root of T2 is given is 327 plus 273 divided by 27 plus 273. Okay, so we calculate mu2, it's give approximately 2.12 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton second per meter square. So the correct answer is 2.12 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton second per meter square.